Hey, thanks for stopping by. I'm Digital Micro, and you're on the Digital Micro Trading Journal. Day trading for ROI. No trade recommendations, it's just my trade journal. Monday order flow signal for November 14th, 2022. Price action order flow and get a perspective on 24-hour, 120, 5-minute, and the bonus chart, the Renko-Keltner. Renko-Keltner showed even on a ramp camp, and the camp being Friday, there's still opportunities to be had. So please subscribe. It helps the channel. Appreciate it. 24-hour Russell M2K. So the first thing to note how we closed Friday for Monday's setup is we had the Thursday ramp off the CPI report, and then Friday the ramp camp. And that is significant because bulls were able to eviscerate bears and pretty much hold just under the upper Bollinger Band. We never closed the 3 EMA. So where that sets up for Monday Globex on Asia Open, that's going to be a potential area of interest. Order flow, the strength of the punches, you could see here, we definitely, with this red line, we're not at where we were ending in October, but still 2 days in a row. Cumulative delta was the story for the week. It just absolutely had a crescendo at the peak of Friday. However, the pace not there for Friday. Bottom line, I've got an opportunity to look at the 3 EMA, and it's all going to be based on if we have a further order flow signal on Asia Globex. So this is going to cause me to really wait and not pounce unless we get a big spike out of this ramp camp bracket here. You can see the 120 price action just stayed very compressed. So it's building energy for another move. And this looks to be still bullish and going into Monday's Globex. The order flow hits were all above zero. The cumulative delta, that's good. I'm not getting any signals on this 120. So let's go to the next chart. So this is the 5-minute chart. It shows the trades I did for the first part of the morning and Friday, and it shows the high level of 1902 being the upper zone, which I think could end up being support in Globex if we drive up to a 1915, 1920. I called it a day fairly early. So got some shorts in here, got lucky with the bar close here, and then shorted more up here, and then was not patient enough and got out too soon. So support 1880, upper resistance 1902. The 1902, I think, can be cut through pretty easy on Monday Globex, but those are my numbers. It's all going to be based on the order flow. Looking at the order flow here, you can see how the strength of the punches definitely sharply decreased here right after the initial balance was done, and shortly thereafter, price followed suit. The Renko is the chart that I need to work on better for Monday, and you can see here these upper Keltner that was ramping here on the open the first 15, 20 minutes. And then the second big ramp we had at the upper Keltner was right around when we had the initial balance end. We just covered that on the 5-minute. Right after that initial balance, you just see this waterfall come down from upper zone Keltner all the way to lower zone. I'm going to watch this very carefully on Monday and play the upper Keltners on any kinds of signal after I look at the 5-minute and the 1-minute for confirmation.